Namaste, Namaste, my lovely souls. How are you doing? You have been wondering why I haven't uploaded any videos on YouTube recently. It is not because I have forgotten you, nor I forgot about our Hatha Yoga Foundation Course. As I shared in our community, currently I am in India, and here in Kerala it is this festival, temple festival season. So the air is filled with the music, chanting mantras, prayers, celebrations from the temples. And so most of the days it starts from very early morning and it continues until very late in the night. Each day, every single day, it starts at 5 a.m. in the morning. The music and chantings from the temples, and it should continue until late or early morning at 1 o'clock, sometimes at 2 o'clock. Filled with lots of rituals, activities. Actually, it's very exciting, heart-opening, so vibrant, so much life, so much color, so much happiness, deeply immersive, and but also it is quite immense, and sometimes it's quite too much. So now you can imagine why I am struggling to record and upload our practice videos. I have tried a few times, but these overpowering background noises and sounds are not very peaceful. So I don't feel comfortable to uploading those videos that are not very peaceful, or that peaceful ambience that our yoga deserves. But I'm not wasting my time. I am taking advantage of this opportunity being in India. I am deeply immersed in Ayurvedic therapy, cleansing process, and in a deep detox process. I am taking various massage therapies, various types of massage therapies, and taking some herbal decoctions on daily basis. They're all to cleanse and heal different various systems. I will share all my experiences with you in the future soon. Looking forward to that too. You can hear the song. Oh no, it's again it's again playing. The doctor was knocking at my door to check how I am, because they have gave me a strong herbal decoctions this morning. So she's checking with me how it is going on. So what I have to request you, please bear with me, and as soon as I am back in Madrid, I will record the missing practices in the quietness of my home, where I love, the studio I set in my home. I love the energy, I love the place. You can hear all the sounds, the songs, the crows, lots of crows all around all the time. I would like to maintain consistency in practice. It is so important. So it is very important that to upload the consistency in uploading videos. I also believe in the natural flow of life and its beautiful invitations. We have to be adaptable, flexible sometimes, as life demands. So that's what I am doing right now, responding to the invitation of life. I miss you. I miss you all. I look forward to reconnecting soon. And so please take care. Continue your practice. Do not break. Take time to deepen your breathing, quietening the mind, become more meditative, not only in practice, in your life as well. Okay, take care. Love you a lot. See you soon.